Dana! Happy birthday, anak! I love you so much. I hope na gustuhan mo yung prepare ni Mommy, ni Dad, and all of the family sa birthday mo.
Like a bird with open wings, I can do anything.
I'm kind of shy, but thank you, Dana. I love you. It's because you're the best friend ever.
I'm not ever coming down.
Hi Dana, happy birthday. Siyempre si Daddy, hindi makapaniwala, 7 years old ka na. Parang ang bilis lang, lumaki ka na kaagad. Sa lahat ng challenges at discoveries mo, lagi mong tatandaan, nandito si Mami at si Daddy para sa'yo.
I wish you to study hard, love your mom and dad, stay sweet as you are, and friends forever.
Yung bata pa si Dana, sobrang ganda niya, tsaka maliit pa lang siya, talaga nakasubaybay na ako. Kasi kumbaga simula sa pagkabata niya, parang ako na rin yung sumunod na mother niya eh.
Sana'y matuto ka managalog para si Lolo din nahirapan ng kay English. Sana lumaki ka ng marunong sa kapwa, anak.
I wish for you to have a very good celebration. Happy birthday.
Dana, always keep loving your sister and always take care of Kayla and always be a good girl to your mom and dad.
Hindi ko pa siya masyadong kasama yan eh. Nandito sila kasi nandun kami sa Tondo. Nandito sila.
Hindi iyakin kasi breastfeeding yan eh. Kaya pag nasa tabi siya ng mami niya, okay lang siya. Hindi siya masyadong umiiyak. Pero kasi wala ako rito kaya hindi ko masyadong nasaksihan ng paglaki niya.
Sana lumaki ka pa ng maayos at mag-aral ka mabuti. Andito lang si Tita Abby mo na nakasubaybay sa'yo hanggang sa paglalaki mo. I love you so much.
Dana, when you were born, April 10, 2016, actually at first I didn't know that you were born on that day. So, I just realized na you needed to come out na because Mommy's feeling not well na. So, we decided that we go to the hospital and then that's it. The doctor said that you can already come out. So, we are ready, but at the same time, I'm scared, anak. I'm scared kasi I don't know. This is my first time to be a mom, and I don't know how to handle those things. But thankfully, you're so mabait, anak.
I'll tell the truth when I'd rather love.
Pichi, kay Dana, sa lahat ng challenges and discoveries sa buhay, palagi natin tatandaan na palagi nandito si Mami at si Daddy para sa kanya. Kahit anong mangyari, disappointment, success, palagi kami nandito para sa kanya. I love you, Dana.
Get you home, never leave.
Happy birthday, Dana. Stay healthy. More birthdays to come.
Get you home.
Happy birthday. More birthdays to come. I hope you learn more Tagalog for the good of your school and be good girl always.
The sorrows we see.
Tuwing magbibili kami sa tindahan, Lolo, I like this. Sabi niya, maanong bata pala kwento. Alam ko minsan, di niya rin ako maintindihan, pipilitin ko mag-English.
Get you home, never leave.
I wish you a happy birthday again, and then keep up the good work at school. Yung nakita ko sa iyo, I saw that you are really striving hard to get good grades. So I appreciate that, and your mama appreciate that too.
Too far from home.
Happy birthday, Dana! Happy 7th birthday! I hope you enjoy your party. I love you.
Apo, happy 7th birthday. May you have many more birthdays to come. Sana lumaki kang mabait at masunuring bata. Mapagmahal sa magulang at kapatid. Maraming salamat sa pagdating mo sa buhay namin. We are so very blessed to have you. I love you, Apo.
I know we've been waiting for this na you turned 7 years old para makapag-celebrate tayo. I love you so much. We love you.
Happy birthday, Dana! I love you. You're the best ate.
My wish is to the most significant girl in the world. I wish you for all your wishes to be granted because you have been a good girl to all of your friends and family.
Thank you for always being there kay Mommy. Thank you when Mommy feels sad. You always comfort me. You always calm me. Thank you so much. Thank you for being the best ate that anyone could ever have. I love you so much and I hope you're enjoying this day. I love you.